Welcome back for day 7 of what we ate in a day from the recipes we found in the Raw Vegan Bundle. Every year, this bundle is different with new content to help you move toward a healthier and more vibrant life. The Raw Vegan Bundle also includes the annual Collector's Edition group collaboration, where we all got together to contribute our favorite recipes. This year's theme is appetizer favorites. With 37 contributors and 41 recipes, this book is a must-have for snacks, entertaining, and just fun. This ebook is only available in this bundle and will not be available for purchase at any time after, so if you like to collect and you like appetizers, be sure to check it out. 40 brand new ebooks worth over $1,800 for only $50. The one catch is this ends May 11th. It only comes around once a year, so if you are interested, be sure to click the link below and let's get into the video. Now, today is pretty much the ideal day in a lot of ways. This is one of my favorite ways to eat. So what you're going to see today is typically how we eat in this household on a day-to-day basis. So we tapped into Karen Ramsey's book, and it's How I Beat Acne, I believe is the name of her book. And this is her Mango Heaven Shake. This is a delicious smoothie. And in my opinion, this is, something that I honestly probably could have this every single day and not even get sick of it. So we're using the BioChef. Now the BioChef is a vacuum which sucks out the air, and look at that, how it's sucking down the air. It pulls the lid right down in, and you can hear it. It's got, it's a vacuum, so it is a little noisy, but this is an amazing attachment and an amazing upgrade to your Vitamix blender. Sucking out all of the air makes for a thicker, creamier smoothie, less froth, less foam, less air in your belly, and less chances of having kind of like a bloated kind of feeling. Really, we've noticed quite a bit of difference from just being like not as gassy after having our smoothie blended under vacuum. So be sure to grab the bundle. I've got my Raw Vegan Kitchen Essentials course in there, going in more detail about that particular item with the links as well. But if you want to, I'll see about putting the link below this video. I think this is just a great addition. So as you can see, this here we just did the one serving. So this is one serving right here. So really, one person should be drinking both these pints. That's 32 ounces. But this was incredible. Man, I wish that you could taste it right now, because this is definitely an amazing combination and super simple. Great way to start the day. Delicious. Thank you, Karen. Okay, so now we're tapping in to our microgreen room. Grabbing some microgreens. We're going to grab some fresh greens from our Lettuce Grow farm stand. And this is just right out in our living room. Got some bok choy, some mixed greens. This thing is going off. It's doing so good. So we're going to harvest just a few greens, and we're going to have those in our lunch today. Now, this dressing is the blackberry dressing, and this is from Victoria. This is one of her contributions to the collaboration book, the appetizer book. Really excited to try this dressing. It looks gorgeous. And then we've got everything laid out for our salad. This is going to be a nice, simple salad. Fairly simple. Greens, tomatoes, little onion. So really just lovely in so many ways. I like I said, this is pretty much a typical day for Lissa and I. We do like to do gourmet stuff and do some fancy things once in a while, but typically we'll have fruit, the smoothie, and 2 salads a day. And that's what today is going to be. So this is our lunch salad. This is all the greens that we got off the Lettuce Grow, or the Lettuce Grow farm stand. And it's just nice to be able to harvest fresh greens off of there just to add into our salad each day. So as you can see, we've got green leaf, the mixed greens, some cucumber, tomato, some red onion, some green onion, and then of course the microgreens. You cannot forget the microgreens. And if you want to learn how to grow microgreens, tap into my playlist on YouTube. I've got a grow along series as well as my Instagram, And I also have a course to teach you how to grow these microgreens, but they're very simple. I would highly encourage you to try starting growing some microgreens. If you don't already grow them yourself, you already know. But for those of you who don't, it is a great way to add some deliciousness and more nutrients, and vitamins and minerals to your salads. And it's nice to know what is in your food. I love it because we're growing them ourselves. Look at the color of this dressing. Man, I cannot wait to try this. This blackberry dressing is so enticing. That color. Thank you, Victoria. I just love that so many people come together to contribute their new product to this raw vegan bundle. Everything is brand new. So if you've purchased bundles in the past, you don't have anything that's in this bundle because every single raw bundle is brand new every year. So people come together and I really feel that people try to give you they share their best recipes. And yeah, this one, delicious. Now, depending on your water level in your lettuce grow, this is about how loud it is. Not too bad. So we're harvesting some fresh greens off of our lettuce grow farm stand to throw into our dinner. It's been about 4 hours or so since lunch. Cutting up some Napa cabbage, those fresh greens. Gonna peel up some carrots. This is going to be a delicious salad. I love these kinds of salad, light, easy. Got some tomato. We're also going to do some red onion, and we're gonna mandolin some apple. And I'm just gonna do some matchstick apples. Really makes it nice to have that mandolin. So for dinner tonight, we got into the bundle and we found a dressing and a salad that just sounded good to us in a pickle. It's called, and this is Matt Bennett's recipe in his 5-Star Salad Revolution ebook, which is a part of the bundle. So amazing. And this definitely was a really refreshing and filling salad with just all kinds of flavor profiles. I mean, you've got the sweet, you've got the onion, you've got that dill. Oh my gosh, so delicious. I sure hope you enjoyed this as much as I enjoyed making it. And I hope that you get the raw vegan bundle and tap into it. Definitely is really fun to be able to mix and match and just try all kinds of delicious stuff. And with over 400 oil-free raw vegan recipes, you are bound to find some that you want to go back and make over and over and over again, just like we have. I really hope that you've been enjoying these What We Eat in a Day, and definitely be sure to check out the bundle. Just tap the link down below, go to the website, check out the little video, and just see what is in store. This is such a screaming deal, and I just really hope that you don't miss it. If you are thinking you want to add more fresh food into your life, this is definitely an amazing deal. It is just so incredible how much of a deal this is. I can't even believe it. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one. Love you.